Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to unlock premium comics on WebComics app. So if you're trying to read locked chapters or premium comics, just follow along. First, open the WebComics app and sign into your account. Next, find the comic you want to read and open the locked chapter. And when you open a premium chapter, you will see the available unlock options. You can unlock chapters using coins, gems, premium benefits, or other available methods depending on the comic. To get coins or gems, go to your profile section and check options like daily rewards, events, or the store. You can also subscribe to premium or purchase gems to get more unlocking options. After you have enough coins or gems, return to the locked chapter and tap the unlock option. Confirm your purchase and the chapter will become available to read. Also keep in mind that some comics may have different unlock methods and not every chapter can be locked the same way. So that's how to unlock premium comics on the WebComics app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.